Hello friends, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம் and welcome to my channel. This video give the explanation for budgetary control in management accounting. The specific aim of this video is objectives of budgetary control, steps in budgetary control, advantages and limitations of budgetary control. Shall we go to this video? Before that, if you are a new viewer, go to subscribe and give bell icon. Shall we go to this video? Budgetary control is the process which includes preparation of budget, a measurement of actual, comparison of actual with the budgeted figures, taking remedial measures for adverse variations and incorporating changes if any in the revision of the budget. So the budgetary control is the establishment of budgets relating to the responsibilities of executives to the requirements of a policy. And the budgetary control is the continuous comparison of actual with budgeted results. So the budgetary control it is a execute and what are the remedial measures for this comparison of actual and remedials, actual and standard or budgeted. This is a budgetary control. These are the main objectives of budgetary control. Budgetary control system may be adopted in an organization with one or more of the following objectives. The first one is to plan for future. Every budget is the forecast for the future. So the organization which are desirous of planning for future in advance may adopt budgetary control system. Then second one is to plan for expansion, improvement, new product line, etc. The budgetary control system will be useful when it is decided to provide for expansion, improvement of existing methods, adding new products line, etc. The third one is to coordinate the activities of various departments. To bring out coordination among various departments and personnel in which achieving the overall objectives of the concerned budgetary control system may be followed. The next one is to facilitate control. When it is desired to provide a target for performance as well as feedback for actual performance, the technique of budgetary control will be useful. To fix responsibility for performance. Where there are several responsibilities centered in an organization, budgetary control system help to fix responsibility for each such center. Next one is to use the resources efficiently. Some resources may be scarce and some resources may be expensive. To utilize such resources more effectively, proper planning is needed. Budgetary control is well suited for such planning. So, the budgetary control is use the resource efficiently. To minimize cost, every budget control technique is used in order to reduce the cost of production, cost of sales, etc. Then last one is to maximize profits. When it is desired to maximize profits through cost reduction, efficient use of resources, advanced planning, etc., budgetary control is an appropriate technique. Then each individual budget may be prepared with special objectives. For example, production budget may be prepared with the objectives of reducing the cost of purchases, reducing the inventory level, etc. So these are the specific objectives of budgetary control. Next one is we have to know about step C in budgetary control. This is the main part of the budgetary control. Budgetary control being a technique of control involves the following steps. First step is preparation of budgets. Then second one is measurement of actual. The next one is comparison of actual with budget figures. Analyzing deviations, taking remedial measures, revision of budgets after incorporating required changes. These are the essential steps in budgetary control. The next one is advantages of budgetary control. Following are the advantages of budgetary control system. The first one is target fixed. The budget fixes the target to be achieved by various departments, divisions and individuals. It provides the goal for directing the activities of the organization. This is the main advantages of budgetary control system. The next one is responsibility fixer. It is easy to identify the person or persons responsible for a particular performance as responsibilities are fixed and communicated to the concerned persons under budgetary control. The next one is coordination. The personnel from all the departments and divisions are required to work together along with the budget committee or budget officer under budgetary control system. This brings coordination at all levels. The next one is facilitates control. Budgetary control is an important technique of control in the hands of management. Targets are fixed and compared with the actual and remedial measures are taken if required. The next one is remedial measures are possible. If there is discrepancy between the budgeted and the actual figures, causes for such discrepancy may be identified and remedial measures can be taken to rectify the same. The next one is motivation to employees. Every budgetary control must be motivated to every employees in this organization. As responsibilities are fixed and proper direction is given, employees are motivated and put forth their maximum efforts. The next one is facilitates introduction of incentive scheme. It is easy to measure the performance of each individual and a group and compare it with the target fixed. Hence, based on this, incentive scheme can be introduced. The next one is optimum utilization of resources. Efforts are taken to avoid wastage of resources to reduce cost. This results is optimum utilization of the resources of the organization. The next one is cost reduction. We already know that the proper planning of various activities helps in reducing the idle time and wastage. This helps in reducing the cost. Maximization of profits. Maximization of profits is main advantages of every efficient budgetary control system in an organization. The maximum of profits, coordination and motivation among the employees increase the productivity. Moreover, there is effective utilization of resources and a reduction of cost. All these results in maximum profits for the organization. So this is the advantages of efficient control budgetary control systems. The next one is limitation of budgetary controls. Every requirements the coincide. One is the advantages and another one is limitations. It is nothing but the same rules followed that. The limitation of budgetary control systems are as follows. The first one is uncertain future. Uncertainty events will arise from the business is at anywhere, but it is not predictive. Then budget relate to the future period. If future situation are different from what is planned, the budget prepared may not be useful at the time of uncertainty events in future. The next one is revision required. To be effective, budget are to be revised periodically, taking into consideration the changes in the internal and the external environment. So it is considered that the changing requirements are based on it is consideration the changes in the internal and the external environment. Otherwise, the budget may become redundant. May affect the moral of employees. Sometimes the employer should affect the moral of employees. Employees consider the budgeted figures as the target to be reached. Efficient employees may lose interest once the target is reached. The employees not able to attain the target may get frustrated. The next one is problem of coordination. Budgetary control requires coordination at all levels. It must be difficult to bring together all the personnel if there is no harmony among them. So the employees must be different attitudes and perception about the workplace. So this is undergoing the problems of coordination at the budgetary control. The next ones requires support of top management. Adoption of budgetary control system is an organization that requires support from the management. If the personnel at the top level do not cooperate, budgetary control system cannot be implemented successfully. The next one's expertise required. Preparation of budgets, analysis of data, allocation of responsibility, etc. requires expertise on the part of personnel involved in it. Otherwise, budgetary control may adversely affect the operations of the business. So, every efficient budget is required for field expertise. The last one is expensive and time consuming. To establish organization for budgetary control, to collect relevant information, to coordinate the various activities, it may take a long time and may involve high cost. However, the benefit derived from adopting budgetary control technique should be considered while determining the cost effectiveness of the system. So, these are the disadvantages or limitations of budgetary control. Okay friends, I hope this video is helpful to you. Kindly support my channel, subscribe and give bell icon, give your continuous support for this video. Thank you.